Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we shall be talking about some bullshit about traveling without a license, which is thoroughly legal as long as you're not operating a motor vehicle in the state that you're in, because the 10th Amendment of the Constitution gave the states the right to moderate how people drive a motor vehicle in their country and in their state. So please pay attention.
Hey, what's sizzling, everybody? Copper Stopper here. I just want to go over some things, had some comments.
In a desperate attempt to fill 24 hours of programming, here's some bullshit that happened somewhere today.
Some bootlickers, you know what I mean, about the right to travel. You do have the right to travel.
And he is 100% correct. He has right to travel freely, from to fro, to here to no, freely, as long as you're not operating a motor vehicle. But watch him twist it all around into some bullshit.
Several Supreme Court justices have ruled on this, and it's not a matter of, oh, it's easier if you just comply.
And every case that he is going to quote, most of them are not Supreme Court cases, and none of them address the right to drive. Not a single one, not a single sovereign citizen has produced a Supreme Court ruling say that anyone can drive a motor vehicle anytime without a driver's license. It has never happened, people. Never happened. It's bullshit.
An attractive witness described the event in breathless terms.
I went to my window and I was like, whoa, there's some bullshit happening.
That happened right over there. I'm an older man, so you can trust what I say.
And now we shall move on to someone who doesn't have his face full of solid metals. Someone who looks a little more professional, trying to tell you how you can drive without a license anywhere you like because you're a free man on the land. Let's have a listen to this show.
This evening, we're going to be discussing the issue of driver's license requirement here in the United States. What is a driver's license? Do you need a driver's license? Is there any law requiring you to have a driver's license? A driver's license is required for one who is conducting commerce on the highways.
I think he's preparing to fill us with some more bullshit. Although he has the sweater vest on, I don't quite trust what he says. Because he mentioned the word commerce, and we know what that's going to lead to. Let's see if it's as bad as I think.
Now, if you're doing personal travel along the highways or personal transportation, there's no law saying that you need a driver's license.
For example, my state, Texas Transportation Code 521.001A3. What is a driver's license? Very simple. My viewers aren't stupid, so they already know these things. But let's continue with another image for you. So now let's see who is required to have a driver's license in the state of Texas under Rule 526.001, whatever. Default rule, anyone who operates a motor vehicle on a highway in Texas must have a driver's license. And we have exceptions. Person serving in the military forces, operating vehicle in that scope of service. If you see a bunch of army trucks going down the road, they have military licenses. And persons operating on the highway, road machine, farm tractor, etc., those are exempt. Non-resident on active duty, mostly the military, so you see what's happening here. And last but not least, what classes of driver's license does Texas have, which is the same as many other, almost all states? Class A vehicles weighing 26,000 pounds or more. That would be a tractor trailer, etc., etc. Class B, weighing more than 26,000 pounds. That is for like buses and etc., etc., etc. Class C for combination vehicles not requiring a Class A or B licensed vehicle weighing less than 26,000 pounds. And Class M, motorcycle and moped driver's licenses. That is part of the law of Texas. And each state has its own requirements. I don't know why I'm talking like this. I just woke up in a British frame of mind. Anyway, I'm not very good at it. But anyway, yes, all states have requirements for driver's license. These all happen to be Texas. You may slow down and read through them if you like. But like I said, the code was 4526 point something something. Who cares? Since my audience isn't a bunch of idiots, they're quite capable of Googling their own states for the requirements of a driver's license. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.